ISouth Africa akusiyo yodwa inarha eqalene nomraro wokukhuphuka kwentengo yeembaseli. Inarha eziningi zilela ngokuthinteka kumbi ngonobangela wombango phakathi kweRussia neUkraine okunomthelela omumbi wokukhuphuka kwentengo yeoli. Ulethen Piet we-AA uthi umthelela wokukhuphuka kakhulu kwentengo zeembaseli kunye nepilo kusazokuzwakala isikhathi eside. Uthi kusazokuthatha isikhathi ukubiza kakhulu kwepilo kunye nokukhuphuka kweembaseli.
It's going to be the same thing that we've seen over the last couple of months. The cost of living is going to increase. It's going to have a severely negative impact on all consumers, especially the poorest of the poor. Cost of living problems are being seen throughout the world where fuel prices are increasing. Places like America and Europe are experiencing same significant increases.
U-Andrew Povorello unebhizinisi lokuthutha abantwana besikolo kanti uthi ukukhuphuka kwepetrol lokhu kumbeka ebujameni obubudisi ibhizinisi yakhe inganzinzi bekodwa uthi selabikele nababelethi babantwana abathuthako ukuthi nakuthoma inyanga ezayo uvela abahlinze uyajama akasasebenzi.
It really depresses me because I've put so much of my time into this business. I've been running it for about 7-8 years now, and it's heartbreaking for me. But you know, there's other transports out there who are also suffering at the moment.
Uhulumende umemezele isibonelelo sesikhatshana sokwehlisa i-150 cents iliter enyangeni kaSihlabantangana nomrhayili ngethemba lokuthi intengo zeembaseli ephasini lonke zizagcina sele zinzinzile enyangeni embilezi ukwenzela ukuthi kwehle intengo khethwapha iimbaseli zifumaneke ngentengo ejayelekileko. Kanti amabhizinisi amaningi amancane afana nelika-Andrew azokuragela phambili nokuxhaga ukufikela mhla kutholakala khona isiqundo sikanomphela ngendaba yokukhuphuka kweembaseli.